During my undergrad, I was a volunteer in one of the senior center near my college. I remember there was a moment that I was kind of inspired by one of the older adults. She was trying to like ask me some questions about how to use her phones, and I saw her strong determination and strong desire to learn technology. I still remember there was one quote she said, "Don't retire, rewire."
When we were interviewing like the older adults and their caregivers, one thing we keep hearing is that the things they teach don't seem to stick really well. It seems like it has more to do with like the problem in their pedagogies and teaching. They are oftentimes like memorizing the specific steps required to finish that task. Essentially, that kind of promotes like memorization than understanding. They don't provide older adults psychological safety, and it doesn't encourage them to practice on their own.
Our volunteers would be undergraduates from Boston Bunkers Hill Community College, because we also realized that students from community college are less likely asked to be volunteers and engage in certain internship experiences. So it's a benefit for both. Our workshop would be held in person, but also an app-based. And the purpose of the app is to continue a sustainable learning experience after the 8-week workshop. The curriculum is not predetermined, but based on the questions and the needs and what we gather from our participants. I had just came back to the US, so I was so jet lagged and I was so tired and I was complaining the whole time, like I just want to sleep, like I'm so tired. And then I get the message from Ruby and I was like, what? And then our first thing is like, okay, so are we going? Like, will we go? And then we're all like, of course, like obviously, like it's not up for discussion, like we're gonna go.